guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ChrismanXMNN, and for today's video, we're going to have a trip at the Fortress Dome in Cebu, which is TOPS. So let's go. Okay guys, we are now here at TOPS Lookout Cebu. Yeah, this is actually my second time here. The reason why I'm here because I need to fly my drone because it's been a while that I haven't flown my drone, so baka masira siya. So here's the location guys. This is actually my second time. If you have watched my previous videos, I already have a vlog with this. So let me tour you around here. Okay guys, so that's the place that we're going to fly the drone, and definitely there would be a ticket if you're going to enter. It's 100 pesos, and let's prepare to fly the drone. Okay guys, I had a drone for 1 year right now, and one battery has swollen this much. Oh no! So I won't be using this one. Nana.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I
don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Alright guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed the tour, and also when I flown my drone a while ago, it leaves me 2 swollen battery. So definitely I won't be using this one anymore because it's very dangerous to use this one, and I might lose my drone using this drone, as you can see guys. It's about to pop out. I have to dispose this one. And before I'll end this video, let me shout out to this following peeps. So shout out to Marky Tikala, Ian Lina, June Mark Mandaue, Rosel Tabayoyo, Argel Di Maapi, Kiko Robles, Japet Pagmanoha, Don Romualdo, and lastly Ryan Quencia. So once again, this is Chrisman. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace. Bye-bye.